Gauss law. According to Gauss law, if we have a closed surface and charge q is enclosed by that surface, then the flux passing through the surface is 1 by epsilon times the charge enclosed by the surface. Using the formula of flux, E dot dA is equal to q inside by epsilon naught. Proof of Gauss law. Let us assume a sphere of radius r and charge q is enclosed by the surface. Let us assume a small area element dA where n cap is the unit vector along the direction of area element. Electric field is radially outward for a positive charge. R cap is the unit vector along the direction of electric field also outward. Now the flux passing through the small area dA is d phi is E dot dA. So kq by r square dA unit vector r dot unit vector n. R cap dot n cap. R cap dot n cap will become 1 because angle theta is 0 between r and n. So the small flux passing through the small area is 1 by 4 pi epsilon q dA by r square. Now the total flux passing through the entire surface will become integration of d phi. So integration of dA is 4 pi r square, total area of the sphere 4 pi r square. So 4 pi get cancelled, r square get cancelled, flux is equal to q by epsilon naught. So here we got the proof of Gauss law. If there isn't any charge enclosed by the surface, then the flux passing through that surface will become 0.